Hey guys, finally tearing into this thing after our trip to Sturgis, and the water pump's pretty gone, and you can see where it's spraying all over. This one's kind of a little modified. It's got a big Volvo radiator, Peugeot cast cooling fan, big valve heads, high compression. Not enough for modern EFI or anything. Well, my slave cylinder's a little pissed. I gotta fix it. Interesting trivia, if you know where this thing came from, it's out of a C900, I'll give you that hint. This one's a little modified. Definitely not a concourse car. So I machined some stainless header flanges with O-ring seals to get rid of that stupid wedge cone, all that stuff. So now I'm finally having Adam do that. I've got to paint this fuel pump or move it to the trunk just because it kind of sticks out there. This one's a little modified. It's got a C900 master cylinder in it. The boosters kept blowing. I'd come off the highway, and the overflow out of a C900. Air horns. That's mainly it. Kind of needs a little bigger carb. It really needs a new manifold, but more on that. It's got Monte Carlo brakes, so that gets us the dual piston, not anything better, but 4-bolt C900 wheels. So then you can run Saab wheels. This one's got a air dam, Bilsteins, and front sway bar. The insides needs a door panel, but then I wouldn't have my toolbox. This one's got an air clutch like my others. Speaker pods I built. Early wheel just because it looks cool, right? Air fuel gauge, so you can keep track of that kind of thing. Remote. Sonnet seats. I did get some, picked up some Hella H4 insert bulbs, but I haven't got those. It's got a sub in the back and a little fuel cell we built. Still got drum brakes in the back, but kind of interestingly, it's got this weird, I don't know if you can see that, the sway bar here. It's got a 1-inch, 120 wall, I think, sway bar built into the box, the links, and works pretty good. Maybe not ideal, but gets it done. So that's it. Does have a cool alternator, still nice and quiet. With a Bosch Rayman from maybe 97, 98. And then big port head. I'm gonna do a slip fit Y. Got that left over from an old project, and some spring clips and my flanges. So 1 7/8 seals with O-rings. That's about the size of the port too. That's what I based it on. The head's that size. So pretty cool, huh? We'll get rid of the crush vent exhaust tubing, and then this side's pretty rusty where I had it header wrapped. It's pretty. Oil pan's deep sumped and then double walled, but needs a little love. I think you can see the cooling. That cooling fan's really loud, but kind of cool. Used to have an oil cooler behind here, but it turned out that once we got the right head gaskets on it, we didn't need the big oil cooler. What else you want to see? Let me know.